Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gwent with Lambert. First, understand that your goal is to win 2 out of 3 rounds against him using your Gwent deck. You will typically encounter Lambert at Kaer Morhen, often during the main storyline quests, making it a convenient time to challenge him. Before initiating the game, take a moment to review and optimize your own Gwent deck, ensuring it is well-balanced and ready for a tough opponent. Lambert is a formidable Gwent opponent, primarily utilizing the Northern Realms faction. His deck often features powerful siege units, which can quickly accumulate high attack values on the board. Be prepared for him to play Commander's Horn cards, significantly boosting his rows. Furthermore, Lambert frequently uses spy cards, like the Sigismund Dijkstra card, to draw extra cards, giving him a crucial card advantage over you. Understanding these tendencies is key to planning your counter strategy. To secure a victory against Lambert, consider building a deck that can effectively counter his Northern Realms strategy. Cards like Scorch or Biting Frost are excellent for clearing his powerful siege row. Aim to win the first round, even if it means expending a few extra cards, as this puts pressure on him for the subsequent rounds. Managing your hand carefully and knowing when to pass or use a decoy card can turn the tide in your favor. Successfully defeating Lambert in Gwent is a rewarding experience. Your victory will earn you 1 unique Gwent card, a valuable addition to your growing collection. This achievement also brings you closer to completing the Collect All quest if you are pursuing it. Remember, practice makes perfect in Gwent, so continue to challenge other opponents across the world to hone your skills and expand your deck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.